Okay, qala ngebhuti.
Yeah, ngiyabonga ithuba from uMelo Soul. Igama lami nguLwandiswa Thabo wakwaZungu usuka esigodini sawaceza phansi kwentaba. Abangaziyo bangazi ngoElikamsawa igama kodwa ngokwe-artist name nguBlack Moon Jr. and I branded myself back in 2022. Yeah, 2022. Ngisase high school qala i-music journey yami back high school kodwa ngangaminayo sure ukuthi ngifuna ukuba i-artist ngaleso sikhathi because I was looking kuyilokhu yami kuyimfundo zami zesikole ngaleso sikhathi leso. Then by the year 2023 ngamove to Varsity University of Zululand where I started doing a course accounting science, become accounting science. During the way ziningi izinto ezenzakalile. By the year 2023 I mean ngiqale khona ukubona ukuthi no, this is not who I am. Ngaqala ngarealize ukuthi lezi zinto engizenza la ayihambisani nami. Noma ngasho ukuthi ngazama ukufoster by the year 2023 by the year 2024 iswe ngiqala khona ukurealize ukubona futhi ukubona kahle ukuthi no, njengamanje sekumele ngichoose okuyikhona khona kumele ngikubheke ngaleso sikhathi leso where I started doing music sengiqala ngarecorda 2024 la ngiqale khona ukurecorda 2024 ingoma zami ngaqala ngalezi ingoma enginazo kulapha ku YouTube, Spotify, music kwami kodwa angisenza afropop ngaleso sikhathi ngakabe specific le gender sengiyenza njengamanje. Afropop amapiano yonke lento njengaleyo ngisebenza ngaleso sikhathi ngarelease. Then one of the guys bangifundisa ukuthi kumele usenze i-digital kit wenze zonke izinto njengalezo. Then during 2024 ngisese Varsity lento music yaqala yangena ngayizwa ukuthi hayikhona ehamba nami ke manje akusafocuseki ke manje ngisabethe ngithi ngibeke incwadi noma ithi ngiyizobona sincwadi ngiqale ngithi ngishona lapha kwe-keyboard ngiyacofa ngithi hayi ngizobuya ngithi mangibuye encwadini ithi ngiyayibukisisa kahle ngithi hayikhona akubukeki nangu umlungu uyasho ukuthi hayikhona uthi uyasho umlungu ngapha ukuthi hayikhona funda ndoda kodwa noma kunzima kunjalo ngazama ukuthi by the 24 October it was 16 October ngazama ukuthi ngiqayishe imithwalo yami manje no ngikhaya manje mina manje ngiyohlala nabazali ngibabone isikhathi engenza la ukuthi cha ayikho ngathi isinqumo ngabona ukuthi no vele i-decision ngithathe on my earliest age uma ngibuka iminyaka yami njengamanje I'm turning 21 this year kade ngithina nje manje 17 September unyaka kade ngithina nje I'm turning 21 years kulo nyaka lo. So ngoma ngibuka izinto ezenzakala ngani ukuthi lento egcine ngingenile yangena kahle vele iminyaka yami isahamba kahle. During the year 2024 one of the guys awasekhaya my cousins approached me bangitshela ngendonsa ukuthi since usula endonsa because awunakho uzokwenza next year awukabunayo sure ukuthi ufuna ukwenza ini kahle yebo. So nga decide ukuthi no ngoba ngihleli vele bathi mabe ngitshena same time ngatshela umama ngamfona mama ngifuna ukwenza ukuthi njengamanje vele sekunento specific to what music esekumele ngithathe bese ngiyapply to what yona yabo. Ngamtshela umama wathi okay uma ukuthi khona ukufikayo nje khwela phe kwakho uma uthi kuphasela ngalento ufuna ukuyenza njengamanje khwela phe kwami ekhaya ngivayile endlini the whole day. Nakhona mangiphumile ngizophuma ngemfuleni ngihlale the whole day futhi emfuleni ngizobuya mhlawumbe ngabo 7 ebusuku sengizohlala endlini nakhona mangihleli ngihleli amaphepha kugcwele indlu I'm writing music now and then ngiyabhala nje nawe kodwa ngingazi ukuthi ngingami understanding ekhaya ngathi mangifika bangisa on a traditional healer but no loyiwe lo
ngoba vele siyahlanya
bathi loyiwe lo kodwa mabefika ekhaya the only thing wathi umuntu mayefika umthandazi noma uyisangoma esafeke sakusona sokuqala ngoba aqala ngimthandazweni umthandazi sasangoma no unobizo khona ubizo kunento abafuna ukupha yona like ubungoma kodwa manje ayibona umgomo. Then ngafuna ukuyi-understand leyo nto le ngoba sengila indonza nje mangifika la indonza ngoDecember ngizoregister ngafika ngibamcimbi lapha ekhoneni wangitshela amafomu ngasekho wathi bathi angikhala ngona akwazi amafomu kanjani engasekho kodwa basiwe ngixhumanisa bathi sokufakela iform ugcwalise bese uyafika la ngaphakathi ekhaya. Ngagcwalisa ngifike ekhaya ngizama ukuthi ngilokhu njani ngiyiprinte bese ngiyi-scanner bese ngikwazi ngisend back to them ngoba lentombazana abantu abangineze ukuthi usine besebenza lapha ngaphakathi as a receptionist. So ngakwazi ukuyisendela yona ngoJanuary February lapho ngilindile phela ngithi ngifaka efonini ngihlele efonini mangilinde ukuthi ibe phone yafa ifone awu ngithi ayishobolo ke leli ibhadi but mawufi ifoni umama wazama ukuthi ayilungise wayilungisa screen then ngazama ukuthi ngixhumane nothisha so ngathi mangixhumana nothisha nje ukuthi vele ama auditions la ngaphakathi esenziwe already yabo ngathi wathi ngifike on Monday ngafika lapho le ndawo ukuhlala lo ngangenayo ke ukuhlala then ngazama ukubhatalisa ngathola cousins nabazala abahlala khona nawo lona ngihlala khona mabedlala njengamanje then bangikwazi ukunisupport ngendawo yokuhlala ngangaba nayo yonke ngafika ke Ndonza uma ngifika eNdonza there's a lot engiyigenile ngaphakathi eNqamba manga there's a lot engiyigenile angazi ngasebenza ne group before I've never worked with the group before I've never worked with the people who already knew music you know mina engakusho ukuthi music was something nje engangithola ngiyimina because I was focusing on something else yakwazi ukuthi ingene then now I'm focusing towards yona and I'm focusing to achieve leyo nto leyo okuwona music njengamanje I've learned so many things I've learned to work with the group work with the band and become myself and become the artist I'm imagining in my mind ukuthi lo muntu engicreate njengamanje is a brand is Black Moon Junior why you are calling yourself Black Moon Junior why you're looking yourself there why you're stepping yourself there there are so many things happening in my journey right now I even ngihlele endlini ngiyibuka ngithi okay ngiyibuka esibukweni ungubani vele why you are calling yourself Black Moon Junior why you are looking yourself as an Englishman because you have never spoken English with anyone before but if I sit down and check izinto ezenzakalayo and look at myself trying to structure myself ngiyabona ukuthi okay you are calling yourself because there's someone in you as a spirit who is pushing you so hard to be that kind of person of which I'm calling myself Black Moon Junior inyanga emnyama someone who sit in the darkness only came with light of which that's me I explain myself as Black Moon Junior of which angigenela ekhaya kuningi ngikugenile as an artist and I'm looking myself forward because baningi aba artists engibuka kona right now I'm looking to Loyi so I'm looking Bro Tyler there's so many people because I've always wanted to become a worldwide known artist a global known artist because I'm a pop singer R&B singer Afro R&B singer and I'm looking forward to do all those things right now ngangifika eNdonza ngafuna ukurecord because into ebesekhanda it was content yeah it was content I even bought myself in iPhone sesevasithi I bought myself iPhone 13 ayibulala then I bought another one iPhone 7 bengiphethe njengamanje nansi iPhone 7 the only thing angicabanga it was a content that's the only thing I say can't okay njengamanje ufuna ukuyibona la how you supposed to be there if you don't have this awuna imali yokuthenga camera le engishutha njengamanje I don't afford the camera but I afford the iPhone ukwenza but njengamanje bengangabi nalo ulwazi ukuthi ngizoyisebenzisa kanjani iPhone uma ngisuka la ngizoyisebenzisa kanje the only thing was in my head was i-content uma ngifike ngamtshela futhi umelo solo ukuthisha the only thing engifuna njengamanje is a content I want to record I'm looking myself to be this person but njengamanje how am I supposed to become this person if I don't have these things right now I'm stacking on the same person I'm stacking on my same personality I'm not looking up to my brand as Black Moon Junior because I'm still stacking I didn't have this mentality of the mentality of having imali imali iyona esangilemazayo I don't have money to do all the things but uma sengithola information and everything like that ukuthi you need marketing strategies you need administration marketing all the things njengalezo promoting myself as an artist when ufuna ukuyibona ulapha how am I supposed to see myself there there are so many izinto engigenile ngafika ngafuna keyboard sengiyakhona ukugxoba lapha ama scales and everything like that singikwazi ukuthi mangifuna ukudlala and compose my own music myself I even compose my music if khona keyboard laba ngiyakhombisa ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani yabonga uculele ukuthi lo muntu lona kahle kahle uyacula that's the only thing he knows he can sing and become the person he wanted to become that's the only thing izinto engisale ekhaya kuzona njengamanje maybe I can say it's a performance self-performance I'm still lacking on my self-performance myself and understanding ukuthi le journey ngithathayo njengamanje is not just a journey but a journey edinga izinto applicable to what I'm doing uma ngingasebenzi towards achieving a music business and learning how to take my music marketing strategies I mean ngiyashoka manje so Music strategy wami ngiyakwazi ukubona sengikwazi ukubona ukuthi okay njengamanje nginekhala and njengamanje ngifuna ukurecorda kodwa manje ngizorecorda kanjani i-pop ngingabi nazo lezi zinto engiyidingayo. Into engiyifunayo njengamanje is management. That's the only thing I need is management. I won't say record labels but I need management. Yonke into engiyiphethe kule phone uma kuthiwa ngivulele ifoni yami la ngivulele yonke into ungafika ubone ukuthi there's a lot of music, there's a lot of lyrics, a lot of recording music la ifoni yami edinga ukukhishwa ngoba angikwazi ukuyikhipha manje ngingabi nayo knowledge noma ukuthi knowledge senginayo kodwa ngingakabi nayo informable information ezokwazi ukuthi uma ngiyikhipha ihambe ngale ndlela engiyifunayo same time. Yeah. I think the opportunity is over.
Yeah, siyabonga. Ungasheshi usoke lapha because ngifuna ukukhuluma something before uzohleza hansi. Isikole is very important. Ukuthi uma uqeda ukufunda music uyakwazi futhi ukuthi uqhubeke kwenze okunye side because music uzobe usukwenzile. Number 2, release music it doesn't cost that much. You can release music at any time given and then market later. Because the strategy is right is to market and uyabo keep music kwakho. But again, futhi keep music kwakho bese uya market. One and the same thing.